Man who was a famous interior. One day he got really sick. He wanted his legacy to continue, so he got a student to learn his work. The student got famous and became well known. As the student got richer, the old man became more sick. One day, the old man invited his student Hans to his house to tell him something really important. The old man was laying on his deathbed. He looked pale and was constantly coughing. His student approached the bed and sat on a chair next to it.
The old man looked Hans in the eyes, but before he could say anything, the student said that he didn't want to continue his job because he wanted to be a sailor. The old man, with tears in his eyes, begged his student to not leave the entertaining unit. When the old man died, Hans was very sad and decided to continue to entertain people as he wanted to feel closer to his old friend. Eventually, when Hans grew had children, he wanted to name them after the old man who helped him get famous because he was very grateful for him and missed him dearly.